Today is the 27th day, and I will talk to you on the 1% rule, how to grow daily without overwhelm. The objective of this episode is to introduce you with the compounding effect of micro progress and eliminate all or nothing thinking that paralyzes your momentum. I welcome you on the 27th day of Energy Funnel, 30 days to reclaim your energy, focus, and freedom. I am Sekhar Kumar Dey, best-selling author, resilience strategist, and a work-life balance coach. If you have ever waited for the perfect time to make change, today's lesson will replace waiting with winning. Want a secret? You don't need a breakthrough. You need 1% progress daily. Because 1% daily growth is equal to 37 times improvement in a year. It proves consistency is greater than intensity. Now understand the problem. Most people overestimate what they can do in a day and underestimate what 1% can do over time. You wait for motivation, you wait for big chunks of time or a clean slate. Here is the criteria: inertia. Atomic Habits by James Clear. 1% better every day is transformational, but 1% worse daily leads to stagnation. Here I share with you some real world stories who have successfully followed my strategy. In India, a designer couldn't redesign his portfolio in months. We broke it into 15 minutes, 1% session. In 40 days, it was done. In Canada, an overwhelmed HR lead used the 1 page a day method to write her book. In 9 months later, it was published. In US, a tech manager shifted from 1 hour workout, which he never done, into a 5-minute daily breakthrough. The habit stuck and sparked with lifestyle shift. Here is the 1% rule in action. According to 2021 study in behavioral science and policy, shows that micro goals increased consistency by 63% versus larger goals. Here is the key insight. Emotional drives repetition. A small win feels doable. Big goals feel draining. When your goal is very small, it is under your full control and command. Here is the framework for you to see, to get the 1% compass. Download your 1% progress tracker worksheet at the end of the episode. There are the daily prompts. You can use what's one thing I can do in 10 minutes today, or what is 1% better than yesterday in this area of health, mind, or career. What will make today feel like a momentum? Track it, circle it, then celebrate it. Here is the action plan for you. First, DM me day 27 for a free download worksheet. Next, pick 3 areas: body, mind, and work. Next, do 1% improvement in each. Followed by, comment 1% today is equal to 100% better year. Subscribe to my channel to get ready for 28th topic. Purpose doesn't mean passion. Here is what it really means. Here is a closing statement for you. Stop chasing quantum leaps. Start honoring micro shifts. That's how energy compounds. That's how growth becomes natural. Remember that 1% shift is the smallest shift, but the whole problem overwhelming becomes when you fail to visualize this 1%, which is the most important step. Remember, an aeroplane consumes almost 80% of its fuel for taking off and attaining the flight height, whereas 20% remaining required to complete the circuit and land down onto the runway. That is the power of 1% shift. Thank you very much.